Hello, Miss Beeb.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm driving stick shift. Yep. I'm in 5th gear right now, so there's not a lot to do. But I'm sure there'll be a red light soon, which all the hard work begins all over again. Oh look, red light approaches.
It's green.
That one up there.
Oh, wow.
Alright, here goes. This is me pressing in the clutch and then the brake so the car doesn't die. Oh, but it's green, and I'm still moving. So I'm gonna go to second real quick. And, this is Jerome. This is where I hope not to get pulled over. This is where everybody drives like fucking 20.
Yeah.
All scared of the Jerome cops. What? Ooh. Got some turbulence in there.
Burning the bead.
That's enough.
You have to show off to Karen.